It's been a minute, but I'm back.
Damn, my diamonds cold. Damn, my golden clothes. Walking in this a show. Walking in this a show. Flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, flashlight, ooh, yeah.
What's good, everybody? Welcome or welcome back to my YouTube channel. It is Ashanterene if you guys are new here. So for today's video, I look crazy. You don't gotta tell me, I know I look crazy, but today I'm actually gonna be cutting my curly hair. So the last time I got my haircut was in April. I think in like April, and I'm long overdue for a curly haircut. The last time I got my haircut was actually in a salon, but
I don't have the money and I don't want to spend the money.
so we're gonna do it at home today. So this is how long my hair is now. It's giving under boob length. But for me, I don't care about length. I care more about health. So I want to go for more of like a woof cut style, but not so short. I don't know. Honestly, I don't know. Like, to be quite honest, I don't know what I want to do. But we're just going to figure it out. And I'm going to bring you guys along the journey to see how this goes. If it sucks, it sucks. It is what it is. I don't care. I don't have no way to blame but myself. It is what it is. So I think I am gonna brush it all out. I don't know if that's a good idea or not. Honestly, I haven't watched no videos, no nothing. I'm just like, I was talking to myself or like thinking to myself for a few days, like, I should really like trim my hair because like my split ends are getting like kind of long. So honestly, I'm just gonna go with the flow with however I feel. I have regular scissors that you get from the beauty supply store. So I'll be using this, my brush, and I have a whole lot of rubber bands. So yeah, this should be very, very interesting. So if you guys want to continue to keep watching and you guys like the video, make sure you guys like, comment, and subscribe, and just keep watching. Dang, is this gonna work? All right. I have no freaking idea what I'm doing. Not one at all. But I don't know if that's a lot. Like, I feel like that's a lot of dang hair. Oh my gosh. Okay, it's all right. It's just hair. All right. Oh my god, that's so much. Let me just like, oh my god. It's okay. It's okay. It's just hair. It's just hair. It's gonna go back.
It's just hair. It's just hair.
I don't know if that's like a lot. Oh my god. Okay. All right, I'm doing it. Here we go. That's so much hair. Okay, so I got, oh my god, look how much hair I cut off. Wow. Okay. There's part one. Oh my god. Oh my god. Okay. And then I think, whoa, look how my hair looks. Okay. And then look how uneven it is. Oh my goodness. Okay. I'm gonna go down just a little bit. Okay. Oh my God. Jesus. Y'all, look at this already. Oh my gosh. I can't believe I'm doing this. Ugh. Okay, so I don't want a super short frame, so I'm not gonna cut too much off of this. I think I'm gonna do like just a little bit. I think I'm gonna do like that much. I'm gonna do like that much. Holy cow. Okay, I'm done here. I'm not cutting anymore. I'm scared. I don't want to get scissor happy. Okay. Wow. Okay. Okay. I'm not mad at it at all. I'm not mad at it. I'm not mad at it at all. It feels healthier. I can say that. It definitely feels healthier. It's weird. Like, I'm so used to like doing it longer. Okay. That's all I'm doing today. Okay. You guys, this is how much hair I cut off. This, I don't know if it's because like my hair is like combed out or whatever, but this is so much hair. Wow. Wow. This is a lot. Okay, I'm about to take a shower and shampoo and conditioner it, and I'm gonna show you guys how my hair looks after it's cleaned out, and we are gonna see how the final results look. So I'll be right back. I just got out the shower right now. I have no idea what my hair looks like, but we're gonna see right now. Fingers crossed it looks good, because if not, I'm gonna be mad. I'm gonna be mad. All right, so here we go. Oh my gosh. Okay, let's see. Oh my God, I'm scared. And I'm not gonna put anything in my hair except for this. I am going to bed right now, so I have been hearing so many reviews about this. So I definitely want to try it out for myself and see how this works. So yeah, let's see how my hair looks. Oh my God. I'm not gonna lie, when I washed my hair, it felt so much healthier. Okay. Okay. Okay, yeah. I love it. I don't know if you guys can tell, but like the little layering part is what I was going for the most. I definitely wanted something that when it dries out, it frames my face and it has more layers to it. This is how it's looking from the back and from this side. And yeah, I'm just gonna put this on my scalp and massage it all around my hair. And honestly, I'm gonna put my hair back up into this rubber band, put a bonnet on, and lay down and go to bed. I love it. I'm not gonna even lie to you guys. I love it. I think this might be like the new way that I cut my hair, instead of like going to pay $150 to $200 just to have them cut it. This is amazing. To be honest, I might put a little tea tree oil in my hair as well, just because I see some parts are really dry. So I'm gonna put tea tree oil in my hair. to kind of put some more moisture in my hair. To be quite honest, I could have even went just a tad bit shorter, but I didn't want to risk it in the same time just because it's my first time. But yeah, I like this. 10 out of 10. Definitely would do it again. High key would recommend. Definitely would recommend. And for lengthwise, it's still giving under boob length. So I didn't cut that much off like I thought I did. I'm here for it though. Oh yeah, I like this. Can you guys tell I like it? I like this a lot. 10 out of 10. 10 out of 10 for sure. Alright, that completes today's video. If you guys enjoyed today's video, make sure you guys give me a like, comment, and subscribe. And I'll see you guys next time. Bye!
I don't wanna be